Hello, math friends. So today we're going to talk about how you can solve a system of linear equations using a table. So here I have my tables that I'm going to use. So I'm thinking if I just take this system and put it on the table, I thought the solution would come. It's not. How about this one over here? It's kind of a funky looking table, don't you think? The solution does not seem to be coming out there either. Maybe they don't mean this kind of table. Maybe they mean a mathematical table. Could be. So what I'm going to do to solve this system is I'm going to set up a table. I'm going to have my x value, and then over here I'm going to have my two equations. So y equals 3x, and then I'm also going to have my second equation, y equals 2x plus 3. So if I think about what I'm going to get out, if I put in different x values, maybe I'll use like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are my x values in my ordered pair. I have my ordered pair x comma y. And if I'm going to find a solution to my system, what I need is need my x and my y to match, because remember, the solution in a system is where my two lines are going to intersect, that one ordered pair. So that's what I'm looking for on my table, is where does the ordered pair match. So I'm going to start by just filling in the values for my first equation. So if I have y equals 3x, I fill 0 in. 3 times 0 is 0. I fill 1 in for my x. 3 times 1 is 3. I fill 2 in. 3 times 2 is 6. I fill a 3 in. 3 times 3 is 9. I fill a 4 in. 3 times 4 is 12. So now I'm going to do my second equation. So my second equation, y equals 2x plus 3, I'm going to fill in some values. So I fill 0 in. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 3 gives me a 3. Now I'm going to fill in a 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 gives me 5. And I'm going to fill in a 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. I might notice a pattern here. I fill 3 in. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 3 gives me my 9. Now I can stop right there, because here it says this is my x value is 3, and in both equations my y value is 9. So that tells me that my solution to my equation is the ordered pair 3, 9. Pretty awesome. Now sometimes you have to create the table yourself, and so it could go on for a long time, so that's the tricky part. Or it could end real quickly like it did here, and that's why watching the patterns of what's happening, so you can kind of go, am I going to get a match? Here I was going 0, 3, 6, 9. I could kind of see 3, 5, 7. I could see that the match was going to come relatively quickly. But the other way that they might give it to you is even easier yet, is they might just give you a table. And if they just give me a table, now I can just take a look and say, here are my x values, where do my y's match? And they've highlighted it for us here, that my y values match right here at 3. So the solution would be 3, negative 2 would be the solution to this system right here of y equals x minus 5 and y equals negative 3x plus 7. So this kind of table, super helpful in math. This kind of table, super helpful when eating hamburgers and french fries. You guys have a great day using either table, whichever one you need.